Photoshop thumbnail creation, and this one is going to be about this thumbnail is for a video where I'm video editing the portal thumbnail creation. So we are going to call this portal. I think I'm going to change this text a little bit. Portal thumbnail creation. So I'm video editing the portal thumbnail creation video. Right? So what does that mean? Video. So what should I put? Video editing. Portal thumbnail creation. So yeah, so let's put this up here. Video editing. Shrink that now. So I realized there was a video I thought where I messed up and accidentally did a different thumbnail. I've been doing that a bunch because I just have so much stuff. What I want to do here, actually, while we're on this topic, is change this text to a white. Select. And then, might as well do it for this text too. Hello, I'm selecting. There. Okay. So, I thought I made a mistake. I ended up finding out that I didn't make a mistake, and that's where we are. Portal, thumbnail, creation. We're gonna hit V. That's gonna select, give me the select tool here. That way I can center it. We're gonna go back to video editing just to make sure that's centered. Boom, we're good. We are going to hit Control S to save. Let me just scroll down here. Portal thumbnail creation. You know what? There's a spot here where I can probably. Do I have, the thing is do I have one? I've been dropping the game thumbnail in the back, but I might not have portals. So I do have portals, but I don't want it with this text. And that means I would have to recreate it, and that's just not something that I'm willing to do right now. We're just going to run with this one. Actually, what we will do is import the gaming start screen. That's what we'll do. Until, and then what I've told myself to do is that from now on, when I create the thumbnail, I'll create an extra one with just the border. Drop this in here. So this is a 20% opacity. And then we're just going to go ahead and percent opacity. Is that all it is? So bright. %5 is better. All right. We're going to hit Control S to save. I'm happy with that. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and move this to the video on YouTube. The video for the portal thumbnail creation will not be up until it'll be up within the next 2 weeks. So watch out for that. And while I'm doing this, putting this one on YouTube, hopefully you go watch another one of my videos. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.